Hello, to set up custom keyboard theme on your Xiaomi Poco X7, first of all you have to go into your settings, then you have to scroll all the way down and go into the additional settings right here. Then you go into languages and input, and you go into manage keyboards, go into the selected keyboard that you already have, right now is the Gboard, and you go into theme. And here are my themes, and we simply have to press this plus icon to add a new theme. And right now we have to select the picture that we want to have enabled. We want to set up as our theme picture. In my case it will be this pencil picture. We simply have to press next. Before you actually press next, you can adjust the picture. You can pinch and simply set up the picture however you like. Then now we press next. You can adjust brightness to the picture, as you can see, and you can also toggle the key borders to enable them on or off. You can also edit the picture again if you're not satisfied with the results. And now basically that's your theme. You simply press apply, and right now that's basically how to set up custom keyboard theme. Thank you for watching.